Pag na-organize ko yun, malilinis na yung bedroom namin kasi nakatambak yung mga damit.
Work is almost over, summer's getting closer.
Good afternoon, mga Zoos. So we got home at 5 a.m. But we are up at 2:37 and we're gonna hit a gym session. Let's go.
Guys, so today is December 3. Nabuksan na namin yung 1 and 2. This is
1 and
still,
2.
yes, the Advent Calendar from Hilton. At titignan natin ano ang laman ng December 3. Look, here! Lala siya naman kasi diba yesterday kayo ni Daddy nagbukas. Oh,
I
let
wanna
Mimi
bukas
open it. Go, Memes. What is it? Oh, wow!
Open it.
Show the vlog.
Get number 3.
Oh.
You want me to open it?
Uy!
You want me to open it?
Ganyan mo
You want
mag-open
me to open it?
Hindi, babe. Ganito lang, ganito. Sa side
Mami,
lang.
open.
Ay! Uy!
Oh.
Ito lang, babe. Ito lang. Ito. Ayan. Alam ni Lele. Hindi, babe. Other side. Ito. Ayan.
It's
Wow! What is it?
What's this? Yeah, have that. I want it.
It's that granola bar, the one that's from downstairs.
Yummy. What's this?
You like it?
Oh, tomorrow naman again, Mimi.
I want this one.
Oh, so we have to put the box back.
Can I have this?
So tomorrow's number 4.
Oh.
Look.
Tomorrow we'll open
So
it.
the first one was a
Mommy, look.
chocolate
Chocolate.
Mommy, look.
cookie,
And
and
granola.
now
Mommy, look.
it's more like a brownie
Mom,
though.
what is this? Yummy. Mom, what's
Okay.
this?
Oh, Lele likes
Mom,
it.
what is this one? It tastes just the one, the
10.
cookie last night.
It tastes the same.
And I got
Oh, you
this.
try some, Mimi. Masarap daw. Ice cream yummy.
Ice cream good? Ice cream yummy? Ice cream good. Ice cream yummy. Ice cream good. Baliktad ka naman, Mimi. 1, 2, 3, go. Ice cream yummy. Ice cream good. Ice cream yummy. Ice cream good. Oh, galing niyo naman sumayaw. Ang galing na
I
naman.
like Advent Calendar.
Say thank you, Hilton.
Thank you, Hilton.
Thank you, Hilton Hotel. Please.
Thank you.
Tapos na natin buksan ng kalendaryo, guys. And ayun nga, ang plano ko today is linisin yung mga damit namin, i-organize dahil yung mga from laundry namin dun sa bahay ng mami ko na dinadala, nagtambak na dito. So, kailangan kong linisin yun. I-organize ko yung mga damit ko, damit ng mga bata. And then, pag na-organize ko yun, malilinis na yung bedroom namin kasi nakatambak yung mga damit. Especially kapag si Aliyah kumukuha ng mga damit niya, syempre hindi pa naman siya ganun kagaling. Kahit nakatiklop siya, tapos gusto niyang kunin yung nasa ilalim, hindi niya na ibabalik masyado. Kaya yun ang agenda natin for today. Samahan niyo ako as I started already, pero yung mga, in-ice ko pa lang yung mga as-is dito, pero yung mga nasa laundry, nasa bag pa. Are you ready?
You can show this area muna.
Ayun na nga.
So this is where it all begins.
Ayun na, naka-start na nga ako. Ino-organize ko muna siya bago ko buksan yung mga bagong dating. Ayan pa, oh. Damit pa yan. Tsaka yung mga sapatos. Para may isa lang tayong lalagyan. Ayan na yung mga damit ko. Nice ko na. Pero,
We need more hangers. That's actually the biggest problem here because we don't have enough
Yung mga hanger kasi na iyon sa bahay ng mami ko. Nakakalimutan ko sabihin. So ngayon, sinabi ko na. So ayun. Let's do this.
So this area here is, well, obviously, as you can see, where we get ready, because it's a makeup mirror. So everything's sort of everywhere. And because Diana has taping, we don't have time to move everything and pack it because we're in and out the house. So ayun, today it will be done. Let's do our little before and we'll see the after. TV full of bags. Have you fixed the clothes yet? Hindi pa. And then we got our side table. So got a lot of work to get done. Anyway, quick break, guys, from cleaning. And kala ko si Raf. Quick break from cleaning. We'll hit the lounge for a bit. Kids are already there. And we are hungry. Alright, executive lounge na naman. Alright, so this is the result, guys, after dinner.
We have a vacuum.
You can see. Ang linis.
I mean,
So we've cleared everything
on the bed.
and put everything into the cabinets.
Sino naglinis, Mimi?
Definitely not Mimi.
Mommy.
And then all the clothes are now folded here.
Let's get out the couch.
We just need to
Let's
put
go on the couch. Let's
hangers.
get out the couch.
Yeah, we'll see on this side. We just got the vacuum here. We're about to use that right now. But this is the TV. Linis.
More.
And then I fixed up my clothes as well. These are all fixed. The sides is done. Mummy's chilling.
Yeah.
But
Tired.
there is one thing we need to get done. I don't know if you can see it on the camera, but there's all these little specks.
Daddy, let's go there.
Yeah, Daddy needs to
Daddy,
finish that.
go here. Go here.
No,
go
that's
here.
not done yet, babe. So there's all these little specks here left from this little girl. So we're gonna have to vacuum now.
Tulungan mo si Daddy mag-vacuum? Yeah? Yeah?
Hi.
Hi. Hi, mga Zoobs.
Hi.
Daddy is about to use our Mova PH. Go, Daddy.
Oh, it moves by itself.
Ah, shucks.
Hi.
Yeah, you come with me. Come with me.
Oh, come. You jump.
There's two different modes. Ayun.
Oh, Mimi, go.
You turn it off, baby. Press. Let's go. Clean up Mimi's bed. There we go. Back. Two hands up there.
Tsaka hindi siya masyado maingay.
Yeah.
Oh, yung mga dumi mo dun sa gilid. Ayan yung malakas.
Wait lang, bebe. Galing.
I'm coming too.
Oh, tanggal yung mga kalat, oh. Ang galing ng bago naming vacuum.
I like it.
Yeah, me too.
Picking up all of Mimi's dirt. So I'm gonna come after you, Mim. Side here. So it's actually always moving forward.
So, thank you so much, Mova PH. Yung pong vacuum na yan ay meron din sa Shopee, sa Lazada. Kaya kung gusto ninyo, very affordable siya. At very easy to use.
Coming again!
Ayan. Dati si Mimi takot sa vacuum yan eh. Dahil maingay. Ito talagang hindi masyadong malakas.
Mommy, mommy.
Perfect.